Back here at LCG 118, a lot of progress has been made over here. This entry is new to us, so what's happening here is we poured a concrete support, pretty much. There's a frost wall underneath this and then a 4-inch pitched concrete slab, and new patio stone, blue mist patio stone is going to sit on top of this. These posts are going to get pedestals built around them with a blue mist stone cap on top of it. So the sequence of this, we'll get a patio set, then we're going to build these pedestal boxes on it. One of the cool things that we're doing here is the caps for these. We're actually going to remove these posts one more time, notch out the center of these caps, and then slide the cap up onto this post. And then once we build this pedestal box, that cap will get slid back down. So at the end of this, there will be no additional seams in these cap pieces. So it'll create a really clean finish. Another cool thing happening out here is this front entry door is getting replaced. And the new entry door has the radius built into it, and it's 2 operating door panels. And each door panel, again, that radius is built in. So when the door is open, that radius, everything is all included within the door. So it'll create a really awesome entry into this space that we've been working hard on. Coming into the house now, we've made it through rough-ins, drywall phase. We're moving fast into our millwork phase here. So this front entry, we really opened this up, reworked this window wall here, view of Lake Winnipesaukee. Got rid of some wing walls here and just kind of opened this up to bring, you know, as soon as you enter the house, we get a view of the lake there. Like I was saying, a lot of millwork has started to take place already. So this is the family dining room. We've got a wainscot style, one style of wainscoting in here, taking place, coming together. Things are looking awesome. All of the windows on this project are from LePage Millwork. First time working with this company, they've been great to deal with, and the windows are very, very high quality. Some other things taking place at this phase of the project, now that we're through drywall, through the rough stuff, you know, starting to clean up, make things pretty. Today we walked around, verified all of our cabinet dimensions, getting ready to finalize the cabinet order. It's always a good idea to just double check those measurements one more time while you have the opportunity. So this is the kitchen space. Over here will be a really awesome built-in coffee bar. It's gonna have these recessing doors, a bunch of cool lighting in here. There's gonna be a pot filler for the coffee maker. So this coffee station is gonna be really cool at the finish. Interior doors have been going in. This is the powder room in here. Millwork is just about completed in here. Another style of wainscoting, similar to the dining room, just a little bit taller. And crown molding is complete in this space as well. Coming into the primary bedroom, not a lot changing in here. We removed the ceiling texture and we're going to install a crown molding, some kind of profile along this perimeter here that will cast uplighting across this tray ceiling, and the flat of the tray ceiling is going to be a white oak stain to match the cabinetry. Coming into the master bath, this is still a work in progress, but it's coming together very well. So we've got a soaking tub, and on the other side, we've got a shower stall here. Some really cool features that are gonna happen. All of these areas are going to be stone, and all of the stone is gonna be mitered together. Be a really awesome finish. And then this back wall above the stone is a mosaic tile. We've got a linear shower drain going in this shower area. All of the tile floor in this space is going to have a heat mat in it, so all of the tile will be radiant heated. Water closet is also getting the radiant heat floor. This back wall where all the vanity and cabinetry is also getting tile. This is going to be cool. There's going to be a his and hers vanity with a center makeup station. We're adding a outlet in the countertop, so we're trying to keep this back wall really, really clean, no outlets in the tile. And these sconces, we mapped all of these out pre-tile work, so the sconces will lay on top of the tile. And then we also have recessed medicine cabinets, and each medicine cabinet also gets power and an outlet inside of the medicine cabinet. So another way that we're able to keep the tile wall clean and still get power to be able to use some of the things that you would want to use in a bathroom. Coming down into the lower level, of this home. We have 2 more bathrooms, an office space, bar area, a gym, and 1 more bedroom, and another laundry room down here. This area will be the bar area. Pretty simple: beverage fridge, sink base, base cabinet, some upper cabinets, microwave. Just another area they can come in from the lake, prepare some simple meals. Home gym. Tile work is now taking place. Garrett from Sheehan Tile has been hard at work. He's already got the 2 bathroom floors completely set and grouted. He just started setting this laundry floor today, and he's already making great progress. Some really cool tile choices being used on this home. There's going to be a lot more tile to show off too as finishes come together. This is going to be a new home office area. This area is going to get hardwood, so we have a transition from tile to hardwood into this space. We spent a lot of time playing with leveler so that we can get seamless transitions from the tile to the hardwood areas, and we're able to achieve this even with different material thicknesses. Just all comes down to the planning and preparation. Masonry will begin on this fireplace tomorrow. This is getting a mosaic stone surround. We set a decked-in hearth down here today. Trying to keep things minimalistic down here. So the hardwood will butt into this. Nice clean finish. We have a non-combustible mantle under here. That mantle is really cool. These non-combustible mantles are cast out of concrete. And the way that they make these mantles is they find an old barn beam to make a cast out of, and then they fill that with concrete, and we're left with this concrete mantle that looks like a actual barn beam. This is another bathroom. This tile is really cool. It's a hexagon with a wood grain to it. Creates a lot of texture in this space. One more type of wainscoting detail down here. This is a 6-inch nickel gap. Again, just a nice, clean, simple look. This will get a chair rail profile on top and baseboard down low. This is coming into the bonus room. This is the space over the garage. Some cool things that we do at Lighthouse: running dust collection on all our table saws, miter saws. We even got an air scrubber going. This mullet dust collector is super cool. It mates directly to a vacuum. So some other dust collection systems can be a little more bulky. They tend to tip over. We've had great success with the mullet, and we even have 2 tools being used off of this. We've got these little blast gates here, so we can open and close these blast gates as we need to get the suction from the required tool. We're on the 2nd floor of this home. Some more bedrooms up here. We've got a small guest bedroom here, another small bathroom with a bathtub. This is another area getting tile floor, and it'll get tile walls on the surround of the bathtub. Double vanity, which is really nice if you have multiple guests over. This is a linen closet for additional storage. They are 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms in this home, so it is really nice to have these large closets that you can store additional linens and whatnot. We also added an attic access in this closet. Part of this project was upgrading all the heating and cooling systems, so we now have another air handler upstairs in this attic, so this is easy access to get up to that equipment and do any service that may be required. Coming down the hall, we have 2 more bedrooms. They're kind of mirror images of one another. They're each getting the same treatment. The crew has started installing the nickel gap ceiling in here, so similar to what we saw on the lower level, this is just a wider width nickel gap product. Another bathroom in this home here. This one was recently renovated before our project started, so we were trying to keep this as is, but we redid all of the insulation in this home. This now has a spray foamed roof line. So to get access to that roof line, we actually had to remove the ceiling in this section so that the spray foam crew could get in there and spray those rafters. So protected everything really, really well and thoroughly in this bathroom, and made drywall repairs as needed. Coming up, we get to one of the more fun parts of this home. Down there, we have a home movie theater that is super awesome. And then coming up here, we have a rec room side for the kids, and the homeowner has a little yoga studio up here. One of the cool things about this yoga studio is she has a little balcony deck, and also, again, great view of Lake Winnipesaukee. And we can't forget about the awesome Widow's Walk up here. So up in the Widow's Walk, We redid this ceiling, dropped all the drywall, spray foamed this roof line as well with the goal to keep the envelope as complete, the spray foam envelope as complete as possible in this building, control that moisture. We also replaced all of the windows in this space. These are more of the LePage windows. Very, very smooth functioning windows. Thanks for following along as we continue to progress through LCG 118. There's gonna be a lot more updates to come. We're finally getting to all the good stuff, the fun finish work. The finished product is coming together. Stay tuned for more updates.